Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit crypto from Binance to VT Market. To start, log in to your VT Market's client portal. Now, go to the Funds or Deposit section, then, select Crypto Deposit as your payment method. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, such as USDT, BTC, ETH here. Open your Binance app or website and log in. After that, go to the wallet and select Withdraw. Select the same cryptocurrency and paste your VT Market's wallet address. Make sure the network such as TRC20, ERC20, BEP20 matches VT Market's network. Enter the amount you want to send and tap Withdraw. Confirm the transaction using two-factor authentication or security verification. Wait for the blockchain confirmation, usually a few minutes. Lastly, check your VT Market's dashboard. Your crypto will be converted into USD automatically once received. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.